Today, I'm actually going to review, for the first time ever, the Burger King extra long chili cheese. Now, this is what it looks like. There's some patties on it and cheese, and some chili, I suppose, as well. Okay, let's taste it. Mm. 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 Quite nice. Mm. Mm. There's something a bit weird in the taste for me, but it's really nice. I rate this a 7.5 out of 10. Cheers guys, love you till next time.